Hello and welcome everyone to part 16 of the FJ45 restoration series. So as you've seen in the previous episode, we did a burnout, we fixed the exhaust and a couple of stuff. So in this video we're gonna start by replacing the cooling fan. From there we're gonna be digging out the doors, both doors, start disassembling them, grinding them, and maybe start the body work on them too. Let's see where we're gonna go from there. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start with the cooling fan. Start by removing the shroud. So this thing used to be cooling fan. Got this brand spanking new. FJ45 Land Cruiser 80. This is the part number. If you need it. Yep. Okay guys, so that's it for today. See you tomorrow in the morning. Guys, so now with that done, we're gonna go dig out the doors and start the disassembly on them. Okay guys, so as you remember, we bought a new window regulator and glass for the right door. We just fitted these in, making sure the regulator works perfectly, which it does. Then we stripped the doors back down again, making it ready for some body work tomorrow in the morning. See you then. Okay guys, so once again, as you saw, everything is filled up with body filler that looks like this. 1/4 inch thick. This all came from one door. Just there was a little crack in the bodywork. We grinded it down and then everything started to pop out. With the screwdriver, everything popped out. So we fixed that by grinding it down and sanding it as much as we can. Then applying fiberglass putty, 2-3 layers. Then the final body putty. Okay guys, so now we're gonna take out the windshield frame. Guys, so as you saw, we took it out and we inspected it, we wide wheeled it a little bit. Needs some more cleaning, but at least we inspected it. The main reason we inspected it for rotten and rust stuff, which it's none. So it's fine, the metal's fine, the metal is metal, it's not rusty. So just a little bit of surface rust. We're gonna clean that out and apply some epoxy sometime soon. Okay guys, so it's the next day here and gonna head straight to sanding. Okay guys, so now we're done sanding with the doors. We're gonna start with the fender and the roof. Okay guys, so as you saw in this video, we got a lot done. We stripped the doors out, disassembled them, started the bodywork, finished the bodywork, and started the sanding on them and sanding a lot of parts around the whole truck. including the window frame. Took it out, inspected it, and put it back in with one bolt. So we're done for now. We're gonna take the seats and the door cards out to get refurbished, and then we're gonna come back. But that's it for today's video. See you on the next one. Peace.